Hello, sir or ma'am. I will conducting your final interview.
Okay.
So we proceed to the number one question, sir. Number one question. Number one, what does respect means to you, sir?
Respect is a feeling of deep admiration for someone or something illustrated by a relation, quality, or an operating for other feeling, need, and op- opinion, even when they differ from one own. In essence, respect is about trying protecting each other with when in dangers.
Okay, sir. I proceed to number two question. Number two question, why do you want to join the army function?
Um, to make some money or protect our country.
Okay, sir. We proceed to number three question, sir. How should we address higher ranks and civilians? Say it again,
What
sir. Say it again, sir. I can hear your mic.
make sure that all words are spoken correctly.
Yes, it's correct. We proceed to number four question. How many hours can you be active on duty?
One,
You repeat your answer, sir?
one,
Okay. Number five. Can you leave the military base whenever you want, sir?
no.
No, why?
Um, go to the shift and
Yes, it's correct. Number six. Are you allowed to shoot, tase, or kill a fellow soldier for fun?
no.
Yes, it's correct. Number eight. What does AFK stand for? Can you please explain?
AFK, staying away from keyboard.
Okay. I forgot something. I forgot something. One question. Sorry, sir. Number
No problem.
7. If a civilian enter the base, what should you do, sir? Sorry.
Talk to the chief.
Yes, call higher ups or like use some you talk to there calmly, or if the listen, you can use some like macros or commands lethal force like that, sir, or assist them or escort them outside the base, sir.
Oh,
So we proceed to number 9 question. Are you allowed to take the military vehicle for personal use, sir?
no,
You repeat your answer, sir. Your mic, I can clearly hear.
no,
Mm. So we proceed to the last question, sir. Number 10. By joining the army, you must follow all orders from your higher ups. Do you agree to this term, sir?
I agree.
Okay, sir. Um, Congratulations, sir. You passed the final interview.